Ever feel like your landlord is the ultimate villain in your story? Enter the rent removal bomb. This isn't just a product, it's a movement. Think about it, the real issues we face aren't just about homelessness or finances, it's the crushing weight of rent and mortgages that holds us back. Jason Physiok is here to change that narrative. No politics, no endless debates, just the truth that everyone deserves a stable home base. Imagine living without the stress of landlords looming over you. Every person deserves their own piece of property, a solid foundation where they can thrive. This isn't just about property, it's about empowerment and a defeat to the Great Reset. When every skeet and skeet catcher of Adam owns property that can't be removed, rent being removed, everything is nothing but a come up, the playing field leveled so all can increase, homelessness and the grief of a thief removed. Now with great peace, unequal relationships can separate and cease, for growth's sake and grief relief. Domestic violence will decrease, good neighbors will increase. Isaiah 34:16-17. Search from the book of the Lord and read. Not one of these shall fail, not one shall lack her mate, for my mouth has commanded it, and his spirit has gathered them. He has cast the lot for them, and his hand has divided it among them with a measuring line. They shall possess it forever, from generation to generation they shall dwell in it. Heaven sees this absolutely illogical operation. One skeet of Adam struggling to survive and pay another skeet of Adam rent or mortgage, illogical operations, and those who endorse them will not be found in the paradises of heaven. Look in the mirror, the unsympathetic gets no sympathy. That's just how it works. How about that?